I'm here right now sa Batangas, sa may seaside. If you hear the roaring waves here. Moon, and I can see a Saturn right now. Malit lang siya, di siya nagtitwinkle. So, that is not star. That's a planet. You can see the moon also. If I turn on this side, pa-left ko, south southeast, I can also see Uranus, legit, and Jupiter. Ganda, sobra. Oh, this is the north. Cassiopeia. And I can legit see here the Orion belt. Oh, ang ganda nila yan. 3 stars na yan. Oh. Ay, super ganda ng creation ni God.